Does the task of managing fixed assets seem like a daunting task? Do the intricacies of asset purchase, maintenance, insurance, and accounting keep you up at night? Well, fret not. The Fixed Assets module in Hinawi ERP is here to ease your worries, streamline your processes, and give you a clear overview of your assets. The Fixed Assets module is designed with a host of features to help you manage your assets efficiently and effectively. Each feature has been meticulously crafted to cater to the unique needs of businesses of all sizes. It is integrated with other modules in Hinawi ERP. Creating a new or used asset is as simple as entering the relevant details into the system. This feature allows you to generate an item list for your fixed assets, providing a comprehensive overview of your assets at a glance. Now, when it comes to purchasing assets, the module offers flexibility. Whether you're paying by cash, check, or bank transfer, the system effortlessly records and tracks your transactions, ensuring that your finances are always in order. Maintenance is another crucial aspect of managing fixed assets. From creating a job card to the completion of the maintenance task, the module handles it all. It also allows you to create a bill for insurance, avoiding any duplicate charges from your insurance provider. One of the more sophisticated features of the Fixed Assets module is the ability to transfer assets between projects. The software calculates depreciation based on the location, ensuring accurate financial records. Disposal of assets is another task that the module simplifies. It automatically calculates disposal and posts it to accounting, saving you the hassle of manual calculations and entries. But that's not all. The module also takes care of posting monthly depreciation to accounting, keeping your books up to date and accurate. Lastly, the Fixed Assets module provides all kinds of fixed assets reports. Detailed and comprehensive, these reports give you valuable insights into your assets, helping you make informed decisions. In summary, the Fixed Assets module is a comprehensive tool for managing fixed assets. It simplifies the creation and purchase of assets, makes maintenance a breeze, ensures accurate insurance billing, and enables easy asset transfers. On top of that, it automates disposal and depreciation posting and provides detailed reports for your perusal. So, if managing fixed assets has been a challenge, the Fixed Assets module in Hinawi ERP is your solution. It's designed to make your life easier, your work more efficient, and your business more profitable. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much easier and more streamlined your asset management becomes.